Looking up into the night sky, the moon is 240,000 miles away, but seems almost close enough to touch. From our vantage point, we observe only one side of the moon, the side on which 12 American astronauts walked almost 40 years ago. The side facing away from Earth has been viewed only by a few orbiting spacecraft. Neither robots nor humans have ever touched this surface. If current theories are correct, the moon broke away from Earth about 4.5 billion years ago and cooled, forming a time capsule of early Earth. This record has been lost to us because of the constant renewal of the Earth's surface. Without a protective atmosphere, meteorites and comets have bombarded the lunar surface, sculpting a dramatic landscape. The Aitken Basin, located near the moon's south pole, is more than 1,000 miles in diameter, making it the largest known impact crater in the entire solar system. To study the lunar terrain and learn its secrets, robots and human explorers will need to analyze the surface over many years, establishing the first highly self-sufficient human presence on another world. Replenishment of food, water, air, and other supplies will be required to sustain human activity on the moon. In some cases, local resources may be used to augment recycling. For example, extraction of oxygen from the lunar regolith can provide air for crew facilities or propellant for future space travel. Future analysis will determine if water has been deposited by cometary bombardment. Some scientists believe that this material may be buried in permanently shadowed craters and frozen in place by the extreme cold. Today, 80 nations are involved in space activities. The International Space Station represents the achievements of a complex partnership among 5 space agencies. By watching in real time as space explorers solve difficult problems in math, engineering, and science, young people will be encouraged to learn more about these challenging subjects. New opportunities for cooperation will build strong global partnerships that serve as the cornerstone of our future efforts to overcome the challenges of voyaging to destinations beyond. Future exploration beyond the moon will include round-trip voyages that last for years in reduced gravity and with exposure to high radiation. Mars-bound astronauts will be totally independent from Earth. In preparation for these future voyages, each robotic mission in NASA's Mars exploration program is producing new discoveries.